Hello everyone. As the discovery of lithium in Reasi district of Jammu and Kashmir is a game changer for India and for its economy, let's find out in this video. Thank you.
Is J&K's lithium reserve a game changer in India's adoption of EVs? Discovery of 5.9 million tons of lithium reserve in Jammu and Kashmir's Reasi district is a major step in reducing India's dependence on import of EV batteries, laptops, mobile phones, etc. The reserves can help cater to India's lithium demand for its growing EV industry. Uses of lithium. Lithium is a very light and highly reactive and alkaline metal. It is mainly used in ceramics and glasses, greases, pharmaceutical compounds, air conditioners and aluminium production, etc. However, its main use is in battery due to its highest energy storage capacity per kilogram. Its high energy storage capacity combined with its extremely light weight makes it a perfect choice for electric car makers like Tesla. Lithium reserve in India. Lithium's discovery in Jammu and Kashmir is possibly not the element's first discovery in the nation. 2 years ago, the light reactive metal was also found in Karnataka. Around 1,600 tons of lithium reserves were found in Mandya, Karnataka. But there hasn't been any commercial supply of the metal from that site till now. In addition to that, the government is also running lithium exploration program in several other states including Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. A total of 7 lithium exploration were being carried out till 2021, Mint reported earlier. The project is being carried out by the Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research, AMDER, under Department Atomic Energy, DE, in Karnataka and Rajasthan. India's current lithium reserve vs lithium reserves abroad. Jammu and Kashmir's reserve might be present with a large amount of lithium, but the current amount is insufficient to match with the world's top reserves of lithium. Bolivia has 21 million tons of lithium, Argentina has 17 million tons of lithium, and Australia has 6.3 million tons of lithium. Whereas, China has 4.5 million tons of the light metal. How China can be the OPEC in the lithium market? According to Forbes, China owns a total of 7.9% of the world's total lithium reserves, becoming the third largest lithium supplier in the world in 2020. The three countries, Bolivia, Chile and Argentina, are together called as the Lithium Triangle, as South America is a highly rich source of the metal. According to a US-based committee, China invested $16 billion in overseas mining from 2018 to 2020 for lithium exploration. It also invested in South America's Lithium Triangle region. Moreover, China enjoys global dominance in the field of electric vehicle production. Mainly, because of its early investment in the largest mining production operations in Australia, according to a Center for Strategic and International Studies report. Currently, Beijing holds 55% of the chemical lithium supply required for electric vehicle batteries. Now, it is expanding its dominance in the lithium triangle as well. China's Ganfeng Lithium holds majority of stake in Argentina's Cauchari Olaroz operation, which is assumed to one of the world's top lithium production mines. Moreover, it is also one of the biggest EV battery suppliers to India as well. This is a matter of concern for India, provided its tense relationship with the Dragon on territorial issues. For India to become self-reliant in the field of EV manufacturing without being dependent on China for EV battery supplies, it is important to own more such lithium reserves and enhance its presence in overseas lithium mines. Lithium, the catalyst to EV boom? Lithium-ion battery costs rose last year for the first time in the EV era, according to Bloomberg NEF. Elon Musk bemoaned lithium's insane rally and said high raw material costs were among Tesla Inc.'s biggest headwinds. The central government has unveiled incentives of at least $3.4 billion to expedite its lagging adoption of EVs as Prime Minister Narendra Modi vows to reach net zero by 2070. The idea is that manufacture. Why the discovery is a big deal for India? India has lately been looking to strengthen its supply of key minerals, including lithium, that will be critical for furthering its electric vehicle plans. Earlier, the Mines Ministry had said that to strengthen the critical mineral supply chain for emerging technologies, the government is taking several proactive measures to secure minerals, including lithium, from Australia and Argentina. Currently, India is import dependent for many minerals like lithium, nickel and cobalt. 50% of the deposits are concentrated in 3 South American countries, Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. Thus, these lithium reserves become a big deal for India as it will help expand its penetration of EVs in the coming years. Speaking at a Central Geological Programming Board meeting on Thursday, Mines Secretary Vivek Bhardwaj said that whether it is a mobile phone or a solar panel, critical minerals are required everywhere.